Today we're going to learn how to do a 15-minute nightly kitchen cleanup. Join me! Admit it, we all like waking up to a clean kitchen. It's like these little tiny kitchen fairies came in throughout the evening when we were sleeping and cleaned the entire kitchen for us. However, after I teach you this 15-minute nightly cleanup, those tiny fairies are going to be you. First off, dishes. Every evening you have to do the dishes. To ensure that this task takes 5 minutes or less, I'm going to teach you my little personal tricks. Whenever I'm cooking dinner, I hand wash or put all of the kitchen dishes that I dirty in the dishwasher as I go. I do not leave any dirty dishes in the sink, and if I hand wash, I dry and I put them away immediately. So now, this means that all of my dishes, there's nothing in the sink, and all of my dishes for dinner are in the dishwasher. My family and I sit down to eat. Whenever they're done with their plates and their bowls and their forks and all their utensils or whatever we use to serve with, none of that stuff ever goes into the sink. Those people scrape their plates, rinse them off, and put them straight into the dishwasher. That means that your sink is always going to be empty. Then at the end of the evening, whenever you come in to do your 15-minute nightly cleanup, basically all you have to do is put soap in the dishwasher and start it. Your dishes are done. Sink. Using the DIY wipe away sink spray we learned how to make yesterday and some baking soda, this is how we're going to clean our sink every night. Simply take your baking soda, sprinkle it around your sink, use your sponge, wipe it down, put your wipe away sink spray, let it sit for 2 minutes, and then using a clean cloth, just wipe your entire sink down, and you're done. Clean. Grab your cleaning spray and your paper towels, clean any stove, countertop, any area that you've touched that's dirty in the kitchen. Then whenever you're done, take your towels, if you used regular towels, and throw them in the washer. If you use paper towels, make sure they end up in the trash. And then trash is our very last item. Make sure that you take the trash out every evening. This ensures that there is no lingering yesterday's dinner smells whenever you wake up in the morning and go to the fridge for your orange juice. Taking out the trash, just make sure your kitchen is going to be fresh smelling first thing in the morning. And that's it. You just did a 15-minute cleanup. It probably didn't even take you 15 minutes. All these items probably took you 6 minutes tops. Time yourself next time. I promise you. You can get this done and you will be the little tiny cleaning fairy. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and please give me a thumbs up.